Welcome back to the Stock Indicator Simplified series. Today we are looking at RSI, short for Relative Strength Index. RSI answers a simple question: is momentum getting stretched? Think of it like a strength meter for recent buying pressure versus selling pressure. It does not tell you the exact future. It tells you whether the recent push has been unusually strong in one direction. Here is the simple calculation idea. RSI compares average gains with average losses, then turns that comparison into a number from 0 to 100. Signal Alert uses the standard RSI 14. That means it looks at 14 recent price changes, which requires at least 15 closing prices. You do not need to memorize the formula, but the idea is useful. If average gains are stronger than average losses, RSI moves higher. If average losses are stronger than average gains, RSI moves lower. When RSI is near the middle, momentum is more balanced. When RSI moves high, often above 70, traders call that overbought. That means the stock may have run up strongly and momentum could be getting stretched. When RSI moves low, often below 30, traders call that oversold. That means the stock may have dropped strongly and selling pressure could be stretched. Here is the beginner-friendly way to read it. Overbought does not automatically mean sell. A strong stock can stay overbought for a while during a powerful trend. Oversold does not automatically mean buy. A weak stock can stay oversold if bad news keeps pushing it lower. The useful part is context. If price is near support and RSI starts rebounding from oversold territory, traders may watch for buyers stepping back in. If price is near resistance and RSI rolls over from an overbought zone, traders may watch for momentum cooling. RSI can also help confirm a trend. If price keeps making higher highs and RSI stays strong, that can support a momentum watch. But if price makes a new high while RSI is weaker than before, momentum may be fading. That is called divergence, and it is a warning sign, not a guarantee. The common mistake is treating RSI like a traffic light: green below 30, red above 70. Markets are not that clean. Always check the larger trend, volume, support, resistance, and news before acting. In Signal Alert, add RSI, choose an overbought or oversold level, and create the alert for the stocks you want to watch. The goal is simple: let Signal Alert catch stretched momentum so you can decide whether the setup deserves a closer look. Visit Signal Alert.io and build your next market alert in minutes.